Me and the other parents was just looking like, this girl is rude as hell. This house is a mess. Literally been running around the house like with a chicken head cut off. Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today we are going to be doing a mommy and me date. My daughter has been a little fussy today. I don't know what's going on. We went to the dentist. She had to do like a regular checkup, whatever. But I know she will be happy at this park. It has a splash pad and it has all this cute little stuff. My battery is about to die, so I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone. But it's not as crowded, which is good because most kids are in school, so it's not that crowded, which that's a plus. So yeah, I'm about to change her into her bathing suit and stuff so that I won't have to change her again. So let me change her clothes and then let's go have some kitty fun. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to your girl, okay? And we about to get this baby tired, okay? So let me go super mommy mode. So yeah. You had fun, Malia? She don't want to leave. You had fun? You had fun, pretty girl? So we are leaving the park now. Walking to the car. Y'all, let me tell you something. It was this little girl at the splash pad. And when I say she was so damn rude to all of the kids, like, me and the other parents was just looking like, this girl is rude as hell. Ah, Malia, don't touch that. Get in your seat. Yeah, so the little girl, she was so rude. And she had her own toys. And she was telling the other kids, no, that's mine. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. And then it's a splash pad. So they all splashing water. Why you guys splashing water for? Da, 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 da. Like, when I say it took everything out of me not to, like, snatch the little girl up. I'm just joking. I wouldn't physically touch somebody else's kid, but all the kids were playing with the girl toys because she walked away. But they were all sharing all different types of toys. Even another child had balls or whatever. And she snatched the thing, like, girl. And she snatched it out of my daughter's hand, like, whoo. And me and the other parents was just like, And then her mom had another kid, a baby, so I guess she wasn't really, like, paying attention. But then she finally heard her yell at the kids, and then she was like, oh, what are you doing, Lauren? Da, da, da. Like, girl, you should have... No, that girl was so damn rude, y'all. Like, parenting is something else. But that, I don't know if I was ready for all that. But other than that, it was good. It was a nice experience. But it's like once that little girl left, it was much more peaceful. She was like Debo, literally like Debo. Once she saw the kids playing with her toys, she was like, what are you guys doing? Why are you touching my toys? Da, 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 da. Like, she was so rude. She was so rude. My patience was here, okay? But anyways, other than that, we had a great time. Let me strap little mama. Let me strap you. I'm so happy that Malia know how to get her own seat now. That is so helpful. snap, 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 snap. You have fun? You have fun? Sucking that thumb. Hi, say hi. Hi. Malia was very cranky today, but I'm glad that I still brought her because I was so close to not bringing her behind. But she oh, you want juice? You want juice? Okay. Let me fix some juice. But yeah, we are about to head home, and then tomorrow we're going to Chuck E. Cheese. So I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and we are at Chuck E. Cheese. So my daughter fell asleep, of course. I knew I should have made her take a nap before we left, but it's okay. It is what it is. So I'm gonna let her sleep for like 20 more minutes and then we're gonna get out. Alright, we inside, but Malia don't wanna get down. She is afraid. You don't want to play? She hates it here. You don't want to play? Malia is so antisocial.
Birthday song and dance. That's right, Ellen. Oh, this is my favorite part of the show. All right, everyone. You heard me, Jasper.
This one is for the boys in the polos. Entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. He can ball with the cool, he can so loud. What I think I like about her when he's out loud. When I think I like about her with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta keep.
Say hey. Say hi. Hi. No? Hi. Hi. So we made it back home. And it's 7:34. I'm sleepy, but I'm boiling some water. And I just cleaned the kitchen. I put up the dishes and I wash the dishes. So I'm gonna clean my meat, get ready for Sunday dinner for tomorrow. And I've been eating out all week this week. Well, I only cooked one day this week, like I said earlier. But y'all, I need a nice home cooked meal. So tomorrow I'm making barbecue chicken, yellow rice, string beans, mac and cheese, and baked beans. So yeah, but after I eat that, that's it. I need to eat better. I got a whole bunch of acai packets in the freezer and all that. I'm gonna do better. I need to get back in the gym this week. This house is a mess. It's a mess, y'all.
Baby, the sound of you better than harmony. Yeah, I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream. You're here with me, boy. It don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night, baby. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only had today, I wanna love you in every kind of way. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only had today, I wanna love you in every kind of way.
Y'all ever start cleaning up and then you get mad and then you just can't stop cleaning? That's what just happened to me. I really need to like get better at doing laundry. I really do. Because it only took me like 50 minutes to put up 3 baskets of clothes. Like, I spend 50 minutes easily just scrolling on TikTok. Like, I really need to get some discipline and start just doing laundry like either every other day or every day, and putting them up. Or if I wash them in the morning, fold them at night before I go to sleep. Because honestly, that took me no time to do. But like that closet, I need to tap into that closet. It needs to be decluttered. Like, I threw away so much stuff just now. Like, decluttering, it just already feels clean in here. I'm barely in this room because I'm always cooking and all that stuff and running around. And I'm barely in here, but the room was so dirty. But I cleaned it now. Malia's already asleep, but I'll change the sheets and all that tomorrow. And then I'll reset the rest of the house tomorrow. So, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It is Sunday, and I'm resetting the house. I'm decluttering and cleaning the house and everything. I was able to declutter the bathroom and the linen closet, which is in the bathroom. And I threw a lot of stuff away, and I just moved stuff around to make it look more clean because it was driving me insane. So now I'm glad I was able to do all of that before little mama woke up. She's up now. So now I'm about to make her breakfast and start dinner at the same time. So I'm gonna put the chicken in there, and I'm gonna start the rice and stuff. So I'm gonna do 2 things at once. I wanted to cook before, but I'd rather have just clean the bathroom first. So that's what I did. And so yeah, let's make her breakfast. Y'all, I've literally been running around the house like with a chicken head cut off, because I just couldn't stop moving, and then I didn't really film much. I filmed whatever I can, but I was just trying to move. So while the macaroni was finished cooking, I cleaned up the living room, and I cleaned up the table. The table is a bit more, so all I gotta do now is eat and relax, and then I'll mop later tonight before we go to sleep, because I'm tired. My feet hurt so bad. So let me show y'all everything that I made. Hold on, let me show y'all, because your girl shuffled it up, honey. So got some mac and cheese, some barbecue chicken, some baked beans, some string beans. That's the gravy from the chicken. I'm gonna probably put it on my rice. And then I made yellow rice. So let me fix my plate, honey, and sit down because I'm tired. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.